Ready, set, bake. Say I did it for love when you bake a heart-shaped cake with this specialty cake pan. A must-have for Valentine's Day baking, bridal showers, weddings and anniversaries. Performance: the Wilton aluminium baking pans are unique for many reasons. Aluminum's uniform heat conduction makes for an even, light golden finish, while being warp and rust resistant for commercial-level performance. Durability: this Wilton cake pan has a sturdy construction which ensures even heating in long wear. The wide, flat rim is also handy for keeping a secure hold on the pan while transporting or flipping. Care instructions: before, first and after each use of your heart-shaped cake pan, hand wash in warm, soapy water, do not put in dishwasher. Includes 10-inch Decorator preferred aluminum heart cake pan and 2 inches deep, dimensions 2 by 10.56 by 10.65 inches, with lifetime limited warranty. Say I did it for love when you bake a heart-shaped cake with this aluminum cake pan. A must-have for Valentine's Day baking, bridal showers, weddings and anniversaries. Can also be used to bake giant cookies and deep dish pizzas. Durable aluminum pan bakes evenly. Baking pan has straight sides for crisp edges and a professional look. Before, first and after each use, hand wash in warm, soapy water, do not put in dishwasher. Pan measures 10 in dia x 2 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Mini heart-shaped pan, serves 2 to 4 people. I have always been a fan of Wilton products when it comes to baking. I like the build of their pans and the fact that they come in wide range. So this heart-shaped cake pan came into picture when my 6-year-old wanted a heart cake for her birthday. I went to a couple stores in my neighborhood but couldn't find any, so Amazon was my final resort. Now, if you're planning to buy this pan, keep in mind that the cake is gonna be good enough for 4 to 5 people only. I used it to make a brownie cake and used chocolates for the decor. For the aluminum pans, you must grease it pretty well around the corners and bends before pouring the batter or you're gonna be in a messy situation. Although the instructions clearly say it's dishwasher safe, I prefer to wash them using a soft sponge to avoid any scratches or discoloration. It's a good practice to keep your pans in great shape for a longer time. I have been using this pan ever since without any issues. Hope that helps.